Hey there, welcome to Legit Hacks YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use or play any Flash player on Android. It may be Flash games or videos or anything that require Flash player. Since the Adobe Flash player for Android doesn't work anymore, it's a headache to get it work on Android. But no worries. We have a better alternative to that. So, let's get started. Okay, to test and see if it really works, let's go to Chrome browser and paste this link for instance. It's loading now, so let's wait for it. So now that it's loaded, let's click the play button and see if it works. As you can see, they are asking me to download the Adobe Flash player. So now, let's go and look for the magic. Go to Play Store and search for Puffin browser and install the app. Also, the link is in the description. Since I have already installed the app, I'll click open. Okay. Now, let's paste the same URL here and see if it works. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, the game has started and it works. So now, click the menu icon of the browser and turn on the gaming pad, but since we do not require a gaming pad for this game, let's turn it off. And then turn on the Flash Theater for better experience. The game is running smooth without any lag. Okay guys? That's all of today's video, thanks for watching the video.